Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Sheets while signed into your Google account. This ensures settings sync across devices. If you're on desktop, use Chrome or Edge so browser themes integrate smoothly. On mobile, set System Dark Mode first to influence the app. Once done, locate the Sheet Settings menu, top right on Web, App menu on mobile. Make sure to close other windows to see changes clearly. That avoids cached color conflicts and prepares you for the actual dark mode switches coming next. You will now apply dark theming through the browser so Sheets renders darker UI elements. In Chrome, go Settings Appearance and pick a dark theme, or install a reputable dark theme extension. This flips the toolbar and menus. If cells remain bright, enable the experimental Force Dark mode for Web Contents flag, restart the browser, and then refresh the spreadsheet. Make sure to clear cache if you still see light backgrounds. That forces new styles to load and keeps your data readable in the new contrast. Finish by confirming Google Sheets respects the device theme and adjusting spreadsheets for readability. On mobile, switch the system to dark and reopen Sheets. The app UI should follow. Once the interface is dark, manually set sheet background or cell fills to darker tones and increase text contrast using bold or lighter font colors so data remains visible. If things go wrong, clear the app or browser cache, update the app, and disable any experimental flags. These steps resolve most visual glitches and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.